Yeah guys, morning time. Look what I go on the night pot over here, so. Some ackee and smoke herring. Yeah guys, be about this. You put the ackee and the smoke herring if you go and cook. Or overs, yeah. You guys see flour over here, so. My flour, my plant, and my Irish. Guys, I be about this in the kitchen, guys. Me not lie if you tell you. Stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. And remember guys to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, you don't know the badness go. Yeah guys, so me ackee cook. So I'm gonna cut up some ground season and cut up the smoke herring. I don't know the badness go. See the smoke herring in the pot? Yeah. So you don't know me, I make my flour go and soak like a more guys. Don't know the badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, see flour over here, so flour me planting, me Irish. Don't know the badness guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. I mean ackee, smoke herring, and some strong cornmeal dumpling guys. Irish and plantain. Guys, I be a badness.